Is it the right time to buy or sell Nvidia stock? Welcome back. Today, we're delving deeper into Nvidia. We previously shared an overview on our website, but now we're here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. It's crucial to stay informed about any developments that could affect your investments. Elevate your trading decisions with our brand new AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Benefit from the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Since January 5, 2024, our system has ranked Nvidia as a strong buy candidate with a score of 7.00. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. If you had followed our analysis, you would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 28.37% since we first listed Nvidia as a buy candidate 19 days ago. This means an average return of 1.49% per day since it was listed as a strong buy candidate. The stock has recently broken a strong upward trend, indicating an even stronger rate of increase. In case of a pullback, there is support at the previous trend line of $622.33, which could provide an opportunity for further gains. According to fan theory, the next possible resistance level is $697.94, which may not be broken on the first attempt. Looking at the 3-month trend, it suggests a potential change of 30.98% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from 13.62% to 29.33%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a potential change of 102.72% over the next year, with a potential return between 57.99% and 111.48%. This means the stock price could range from $995.77 to $1,332.88 after 1 year. Our latest update for Nvidia brings exciting news. Nvidia stock has been upgraded to a strong buy candidate. On the last trading day, Thursday, February 1, 2024, the Nvidia stock price increased by 2.44%, going from $615.27 to $630.27. Throughout the day, the stock fluctuated by 2.5%, ranging from a low of $616.50 to a high of $631.90. In the past 10 days, the price has risen in 8 of them, resulting in a remarkable 10.37% increase over the past 2 weeks. It's important to note that volume decreased by 9 million shares on the last day, with a total of 36 million shares being bought and sold, amounting to approximately $22.58 billion. This decrease in volume on higher prices could be a sign of divergence, which might indicate potential changes in the coming days. Looking at the past 52 weeks, we can see that the highest recorded price for the stock was $634.93, while the lowest was $204.21. Currently, the price is 0.73% or $4.66 below the 52-week high of $634.93, which is also the all-time high for this stock. Today, I want to talk about the latest analyst ratings for Nvidia. Let's start with the most recent report from Wedbush on January 31, 2024. They gave Nvidia an outperform grade with a hold action. Moving on to January 19, 2024, Raymond James issued a strong buy grade for Nvidia with a hold action. On January 16, 2024, KeyBank rated Nvidia as outperform with a hold action. Back in December 2023, Cowen and Company gave Nvidia a buy grade with a hold action. Lastly, on November 22, 2023, Wells Fargo rated Nvidia as overweight with a hold action. Analysts strongly recommend buying Nvidia stock. They consider the PE ratio and price-to-book ratio as excellent buying opportunities. In terms of return on investment, the stock is highly recommended by analysts. Today, we'll be discussing the signals identified for Nvidia stock. The chart shows mostly positive signals for Nvidia. Both the short and long-term moving averages indicate a buy signal, providing a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, the relation between these two signals suggests a general buy signal, with the short-term average positioned above the long-term average. In case of downward corrections, the stock will find support at $619.72 and $537.37. However, if the stock breaks below these levels, it will issue sell signals. A buy signal was recently issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, December 6, 2023. Since then, the stock has risen by 38.51%. This indicates a potential further rise until a new top pivot is found. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, also provides a buy signal for Nvidia. It is worth noting that despite gaining prices, the volume fell during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which could serve as an early warning. As a result, it is important to closely monitor the stock. Let's explore some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots also show a buy signal 39 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy 13 days ago. The short-term moving average also indicates a buy signal 20 days ago. Similarly, the long-term moving average indicates a buy signal 20 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 60 days ago. If we analyze the 12-month chart, we observe the following signals. The short moving average indicates a buy signal 20 days ago. The long-term moving average also shows a buy signal 62 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal 52 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more signals. Let's talk about support, risk, and stop loss for Nvidia. When it comes to the downside, Nvidia stock has found support just below today's level at $531.40 and $495.22. It's important to note that when a stock is testing a support level, there is a natural risk involved. If this support level is broken, the stock may fall to the next support level. In the case of Nvidia, the next support from accumulated volume would be at $531.40, followed by $495.22 and $487.16. It's worth mentioning that this stock has a tendency to experience significant movement during the day, also known as volatility. Additionally, the Bollinger Band indicates a large prediction interval for this stock, classifying it as high risk. Looking back at the last day, the stock had a range of $15.40 between its highest and lowest point, which represents a 2.5% fluctuation. Over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 2.33%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Nvidia, let's start by understanding some important fundamental data. First, let's talk about the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This ratio is a crucial measure of a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. A high PE ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors have high growth expectations for the future. Now, let's take a look at some recent news. The next earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected to be released on February 28, 2024. According to analysts' consensus estimates, earnings are projected to be $3.76. It's important to keep an eye on these numbers as they can have a significant impact on stock prices. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Nvidia. When analyzing the stock's accumulated volume, we find no significant resistance above. This suggests that, under the right conditions, the stock could experience a swift upward movement. As a trader, you may consider entering a position and using volume indicators to determine the optimal exit point. On the downside, Nvidia has a support level at $531.40. If this level holds, it could serve as a favorable entry point, potentially leading to a rebound in the stock price. The average rating for Nvidia, as determined by multiple analysts, is strong buy. Now, let's delve into some recent insider trades. The most recent insider trades were carried out by Stevens Mark A., who bought and sold a total of 71,648 shares or options in the company. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative, with a ratio of -34.009. Overall, insiders have purchased 450,407 shares and sold 917,509 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss for this stock is set at $612.24, which represents a decrease of 2.86%. This particular stock is known for its high daily movements, which also means it carries a higher level of risk. The RSI 14 indicator currently stands at 82, further increasing the risk associated with this stock. However, it's worth noting that there is a buy signal from a pivot bottom that was identified 38 days ago. Is Nvidia stock a good buy? Nvidia stock shows several positive signals and has recently broken a strong rising trend. It is currently in great technical shape, making it a good choice at its current levels. We anticipate further gains over the next 3 months, and based on our analysis, we have upgraded our conclusion for this stock from a buy to a strong buy candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, February 2nd, we expect Nvidia to open down by $4.05 and start trading at $626.22. Before we begin, it's important to keep in mind that trading comes with a high risk of losing money. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions to buy or sell securities. Remember, StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By using this information, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. Welcome to Stock Invest. Today, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinions, so please share your thoughts by commenting below. We're also curious about your target for this stock. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. Our team at StockInvest wishes you successful trading and hopes you have a beautiful day.